Join me as I take on the challenge of practicing 5 daily rituals for inner peace and see if they really make a difference in my life. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life and lose sight of what's truly important. That's why incorporating daily rituals into our routine can be a total game changer for our mental and emotional well-being. We've all been there, feeling stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed by the demands of modern life. It's like we're constantly running on a treadmill, but getting nowhere fast. And if we're not careful, it can lead to burnout, depression, and a sense of hopelessness. But what if I told you that there's a way to break free from this cycle of stress and anxiety and cultivate a deeper sense of inner peace? It all starts with making small, intentional changes to our daily routine. One of the biggest obstacles to achieving inner peace is distractions. With social media, email, and text notifications constantly vying for our attention, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose focus on what's truly important. And let's be real, who hasn't mindlessly scrolled through their phone for hours, only to feel drained and unfulfilled afterwards? So, what's the solution? For me, it's all about incorporating daily rituals that promote tranquility, clarity, and a sense of connection to myself and the world around me. And that's exactly what I want to share with you today. 5 daily rituals that have had a profound impact on my life, and I believe can do the same for you. The first ritual is to start your day with a 10-minute meditation practice. This sets the tone for the rest of the day and helps you stay focused and centered, even in the midst of chaos. The second ritual is to take a daily walk in nature, which has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety and boost mood. The third ritual is to practice journaling, which helps you process your emotions and gain clarity on your thoughts and feelings. The fourth ritual is to cultivate gratitude by writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day. This helps shift your focus away from what's lacking and towards the abundance already present in your life. And finally, the fifth ritual is to disconnect from technology for at least an hour before bed, which helps you wind down and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Of all these rituals, I want to highlight the power of meditation. When I first started meditating, I was skeptical. I didn't think I could sit still for 10 minutes, let alone quiet my mind. But with consistent practice, I started to notice profound changes in my mood, energy levels, and overall sense of well-being. Meditation has helped me stay grounded and centered, even in the face of uncertainty and change. Incorporating these 5 daily rituals into your routine can have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. By committing to just a few simple practices each day, you can start to experience a greater sense of inner peace, clarity, and connection to yourself and the world around you. So, to recap, the 5 daily rituals for inner peace are meditation, daily walks in nature, journaling, gratitude practice, and disconnecting from technology before bed. These small, intentional changes can add up to make a huge difference in your life. Thanks for joining me on this journey to inner peace. If you have a favorite daily ritual that brings you peace and tranquility, please share it in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on wellness and personal growth.